Where do I find my employer ID number on eSmart tax for the tax year 2024? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video, I'm going to talk about how can you find your employer identification number EIN on eSmart tax for the tax year 2024. You would typically need to refer to your W-2 form first, and here is how you can locate your EIN. First of all, access your eSmart tax account and log in using your credentials. Within your tax return or account dashboard, locate to the section where you can enter your W-2 information. This section is typically labeled W-2 or income within your tax return. Navigate to the section where you can enter your W-2 information, including your employer's details. Look for the field or section W-2 entry form where you are asked to enter your employer's information, and this section typically includes your employer's name, address, and EIN. Your employer's EIN is usually located in the box B of your W-2 form titled Employer's Identification Number. Enter the EIN from your W-2 into the appropriate field provided by the eSmart tax, and if you've already entered your W-2 information into the eSmart tax, you can review the information you have entered to your employer's EIN, and it should be displayed alongside your employer's other details. If you encounter any difficulties or if the process differs from what is outlined here, it's advisable to refer to the eSmart tax official documentation or contact their customer support for their assistance. They can provide specific guidance on where to find your EIN, employer identification number, within their platform for the tax year 2024. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.